How to set up direct deposits with Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up direct deposits with Truist. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. Now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here simply log in with your credential and once logged in on your main dashboard, just open the account you want your paycheck to go into and there you simply have to look for account details or direct deposits form to see your routing number and account number. Or you can download or generate a pre-filed direct deposits form or voided check if available. And there you just have to share the Truist routing number, your account number and indicate checking or saving if you prefer. And if required, you need to upload or email the direct deposit form or a voided check. And if your employer allows, you can specify a percentage or fixed amount of different trust accounts like 80% checking, 20% savings. And with that, direct deposits can set up within 1 to 2 pay cycles. So when a first deposit hits, check transaction to confirm amount and memo. And with that, you can turn on deposit alerts so you are notified the moment your paycheck post. And that's it. Share your routing and account numbers and you are all set for direct deposits at Truist. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.